Hi, I'm Sandy and I'm going to show you how to make your own Shrinky Dinks using plastic clamshell like fruits and vegetables come from in the grocery store. So this one has a triangle on it with the number 1 in it. And you'll need some markers. Sharpies work really good, or regular markers, or even colored pencils. And you'll need some scissors to cut out your Shrinky Dink. You'll need a cookie sheet. You need a pot holder to take out your hot cookie sheet later. And you will need a saucepan or something with a flat bottom, because sometimes when your Shrinky Dink comes out of the oven, it's a little curled up on the edges. So, first of all, you take your marker and you either freehand on your plastic what you want to draw, or you can trace something. So I'm going to use Hello Kitty. I'm going to trace it right onto my clamshell. And you'll need your grown-up to help you with this project because you'll be using a hot oven. And the oven should be set to 350 degrees. So after you have drawn your design onto your plastic clamshell, you take your scissors and you cut out your shape. So here's mine all cut out. And then you put it in your cookie sheet and put it in your hot oven with your grown-up's help, of course. And you'll bake it for about a minute. So I'm going to turn on my timer. I have my oven light on so I can look in there and see how it's doing. And when it comes out, if it's curled up on the edges, remember, just take that saucepan or something flat and you can put it on top of your Shrinky Dink and then it'll flatten it back out. So in the end, mine ended up looking like this. Happy crafting! Bye-bye.